Let us understand uniform circular motion. That is, when an object is moving uniformly in a circular motion. Like for instance, we can take an example of an athlete moving on a circular track. So what happens in a circular track when an athlete is moving, even if the magnitude is same, in a circle, the direction keeps on changing. We see every point, the direction in the circle is changing. And what we know, velocity upon time. So if velocity is changing continuously, acceleration we have learned is velocity upon time. So if the magnitude of the velocity is the same but the direction is changing, that means the velocity is changing, and hence it is an example of accelerated motion. We can take the example of the watch also, or a clock. The hands of a clock are also an example of accelerated motion. Suppose if this is a clock, the clock covers equal distances in equal interval of time. So if you talk about the minutes hand or the hour hand of a clock, they are also performing accelerated motion because every point the direction is changing. So as the athlete on a circular track is also changing its velocity at every point because the direction is changing. Similar example can be taken if you tie a stone on a piece of a thread and just move it fast, and as soon as we'll drop, it will move in a direction which is tangential to the circumference of the circle. Tangent means at an angle of 90 degrees. Several game examples we can see, like in discus, when an athlete throws, it will always move in the front, in the direction in which it drops the arrow or the ball. Okay, like a bowler, fast bowler comes and balls. The ball goes in a straight line, whereas he is moving a hand in a circular form. Therefore, it moves at the tangential axis. This, I hope, is clear. Uniform circular motion is an example of accelerated motion. Now, how we can calculate the velocity of an object in uniform motion? Velocity is distance upon time. In case of a circle, distance will be equal to its circumference. What is the circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. And what is the radius? Radius of a circle this is the radius of the circle. So in this, velocity is equals to 2 pi r upon t. So for calculating the velocity of the object, use the formula 2 pi r upon t in case of circular motion. And another important thing which we have learned here is that an object under uniform circular motion is an example of accelerated motion. We call it accelerated. Why? Because the velocity is changing every time, even though the magnitude may not change. So this is an example where the magnitude remains the same, but it is an example of accelerated motion. I hope you have understood boys.